Hello, I am Rotractor Shivam Sondekar, Community Service Director of Rotrac Club of Thane Central. On the occasion of Nag Panchami, I am here to reveal some interesting facts about a ritual that we are following since centuries and harming our environment. Nag Panchami is a traditional worship on which snakes, especially Nagas, are worshipped by Hindus all over India, Nepal, and other countries where Hindus live. According to Hindu calendar, this worship is offered on 5th day of Shukla Paksha, that is, bright half of lunar month of Shravana. Snake worship is a tradition which is followed in India since ages and present in several Asian cultures where snakes are portrayed as a symbol of strength. On the day of Nag Panchami, people perform various rituals to worship snakes. They bathe snake idols and even real snakes with water and milk as a part of puja. In many rural regions, real snakes are worshipped, fairs are held, and even flowers are offered. As a part of puja, people pour milk in snake holes as an offering to the Nag Devta. People also visit Shiva temple and Nag temple in their localities to worship Nag Devta. It is a common sight to see snake charmers outside the temples and at the prominent locations with carrying snakes in their wicker basket. On the day of Nag Panchami, they showcase these snakes to the visitors and ask them to feed milk as a part of ritual and charge fees for same. Gullible people believe them without giving a second thought and feed milk to the snakes. People think they are doing a good job by feeding milk to them. But do snakes really drink milk? No. It is surprising to know that snakes really don't drink milk. Snakes are reptiles, not mammals, to feed on milk. All reptiles are lactose intolerant, which means milk cannot be digested by reptiles. Then why do snakes drink milk on Nag Panchami? The reason why snakes drink milk on Nag Panchami is dehydration, not miracle. These snakes are caught from wild in perfectly healthy conditions 30 to 45 days before Nag Panchami. Then they are brutally defanged non-surgically using cutting pliers and are pretty ill-treated. They survive precisely on air as they are not able to eat its natural prey and water is not offered to them. On the day of Nag Panchami, these weak and helpless snakes have no other option but milk, which acts like poison for them. By the time Nag Panchami is over, these snakes are extremely weak and severely infected. And the snake charmers, after making the money, just throw these snakes away in a very miserable conditions, letting them suffer a very painful and slow death. Hundreds of snakes die a very painful death every Nag Panchami. Unknowingly, we are killing the same snakes that we are worshipping on Nag Panchami. Also, snakes play a very important role in our ecosystem, maintaining a balance to the food web. So let's all come together and raise our voices against such brutal practices and superstitious rituals that are harming our environment since very long time. Thank you.